Hi, it's Angeline here. Today we'll be playing with the brand new Cuddlebug Seahorse by Unity Stamp, and I'll be showing you how to make this Under the Sea color burst card. So here is how the cute Cuddlebug Seahorse looks like and the sentiment. I've already stamped and colored it with some Copics, and I've also added some clear Wink of Stella glitter on the seahorse. For the background, I'm using the Can Oliver Color Burst Caribbean Bright set, which has these really nice colors. And today I'm using some watercolor cardstock. And what I want to do first is to spritz the entire surface with some clear water and just sprinkle the powders on. So the color bursts actually contain colored pigmented powders in it, and it will react with water. As you can see, just a little powder will create very bright and vivid colors. You can also add more water to mix the colors better together, and then what I'm doing here is to grab a piece of paper towel to absorb all the excess colors out. Now it's time to assemble the card. Just put everything together and you're done. So I'm adhering the watercolor cardstock to my card base and then just adding all the seaweed and the seahorse together. You could also trim your seaweed to create a different height and layer of seaweed. And then after that, I am adding some foam tape to my seahorse to pop him up. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this Under the Sea card and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.